People can stack however they like. Everyone's got their own strategy. I just want to say there's not one specific way to stack. There's not any wrong way to stack in my personal opinion. Everyone's got their own strategies, everyone's got their own purpose. Who knows what the purpose of their stack is for? I don't like to judge. I know some people who've told me, I know it might be a bad time to buy precious metals right now, which I don't exactly think that myself, but that I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a random guy on the internet. They're still buying it even though they don't think it's a good time to buy right now just because it gives them peace of mind. Now, to me, peace of mind is worth every penny. If that's what you're buying, hey, good on you. You know what you're doing, you know why you're buying. That's your strategy, just to buy for peace of mind. There's nothing wrong with that. Kudos for you just for having a strategy, for knowing the purpose of what you're stacking, why you're buying it. I've heard many people say a lot of different things, like, I'm not going to get into any specifics. I don't want anyone to feel like I'm calling them out specifically, because I'm not. I just think it's okay to stack however people want. If they have a strategy, they put thought process into what they're doing, good for them. I give you props on that. There's many people nowadays, you look at the NASDAQ or something, there's clearly irrational exuberance there. I can't say that for sure, but I'm not a financial advisor, that's just my opinion. I feel very strongly on that. As long as there's some kind of thought process, as long as there's some logic behind your decision making, I'm sure everyone will do fine, no matter why they're stacking, what they're stacking for. I'm pretty sure you guys all know that I'm coming from a spot right now where I'm not buying silver at the moment, but that's because I'm coming from a spot where I have silver. I've got a lot of it already. If silver goes up and I don't buy another ounce, I'm definitely not gonna miss out on silver going up. Definitely not gonna miss out. If silver goes down, great, I'll be able to buy a lot more. But that's just my personal opinion. Every summer I reassess where my limit should be because of, especially now in these times, because of inflation, because of money printing, all of that. But that time hasn't come yet. I'm not going to change it up now because there's a lot of craziness happening in the marketplace. I'm just gonna let whatever happens for now. Stick to my strategy, stick to my plan. I know the price of gold seems high right now, too. Well, not really the price, but it's got a 1600 handle on it. That doesn't seem too high to me. That seems very reasonable in my personal opinion. That price in 2021, I'm perfectly fine with that. Now, I'm not able to find maples at a real good premium or anything like that. A decent premium, for my opinion, on a 1 ounce maple would be 3 to 4%. That's what I paid for those back when it's about the same price. Now we're talking about 7-8% premiums. That's pretty high. That's double where it should be. So the premiums still are high on gold, but I'm buying some things like pesos. It's at spot, it's a 7% premium, it's fractional, it's something I could afford. I can't afford to just keep buying maples. It's putting money away at the same time. I'm pretty happy about that. I can't go wrong with it. I know they won't sell at the same price as the maples. I'll sell it under spot. I'm not going to sell it at spot. But I'm going to be selling it about $20 to $25 depending on where the premiums are on gold. And I'm perfectly fine with that, selling it at $20 to $25 under spot per ounce. Not a big deal to me. That's about what I'll get. That's being pretty consistent on that kind of stuff. The resale since even before the pandemic, the resale on that hasn't gone up like it has the 10th ounce fractional coins or anything like that. The quarter ounce, the resale premiums on that have gone up. That's just kind of my strategy, and it's okay if you have a different strategy than mine. Any strategy is a good strategy. I just hope you're not buying based on a fear of missing out or anything like that, or just an emotional purchase. That I'm not a big fan of personally, but as long as there's any kind of thought process, you thought about it, you're being logical behind your decisions, most strategies will pan out to do what they're supposed to do, as long as you have realistic expectations of that strategy. I'd love for you to comment down below what your thoughts are, what your strategy is, what your strategy has been in the past, if it has been changed at all. What do you guys think about my strategy? If you guys think that if you have a lot of silver and everything right now, it might be best to hold off, stick to my strategy as what I have previously said. Maybe so much money's being printed since last summer, I should readjust now. Maybe that's your opinion. I'd love to know. I typically do that in the summer. I rebalance my portfolio in Q1 also though, and then I reassess where prices should be, reevaluate everything every summer. That's kind of how I do it. Just my thoughts, just my opinions. Obviously I go price to earnings, things like that based on last quarters, but yeah, it's just my thoughts, just my opinions. I'd love to know your guys' thoughts and opinions, what you guys are doing for stacking right now, and what do you guys think about my strategy. So yeah, please like, share, subscribe, stay positive, see you next time. Thanks.